Every day, we spend about 6% of our time, or about an hour, driving our cars. And during this time, of course, our hands are on the wheel. So it's especially important what your hands actually feel. The new Senator steering wheel cover enhances your comfort while driving and adds to the look of the interior of your vehicle. Each liner is tailored with an anti-slip liner. It fits securely with no damage to your steering wheel. The covers are durable. They'll last 5 years and they'll look like new. Senator steering wheel covers are made from the finest materials. Made of imitation leather, they keep your hands warmer in the winter and cool in the summer for optimal grip. They're available in multiple colors, textures, and styles. Imitation or genuine leather, chamois, sponge, or even a carbon fiber look. Universal steering wheel fits makes these compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs with 14.5 and 15.5 inch steering wheels. The installation takes less than 2 minutes, and it doesn't require any special skills or equipment. You definitely can be sure that Senator steering wheel covers will give you a better grip to make your driving safer and more comfortable. You can be sure that Senator steering wheel covers will give you a better grip to make your driving safer and more comfortable. If you're still in doubt, I have a special gift for you. Inside each set, you'll receive a Kleinmark branded license plate frame. Easy to install, flexible and strong. It will help protect your car from rattles and scratches. Now that's a true value. Choose your Senator steering wheel cover and get the perfect balance of style, functionality, and protection for your steering wheel so that you can hit the road with extra confidence. Drive your car with Senator comfort.